Hey there, this is Dan from Meraki, formerly Black Lotus. Today we are making my dad's moussaka. I know you'll enjoy this recipe. We will need 6 potatoes, 2 eggplant, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter, 1 stalk of celery, a chunk of Parmesan cheese, oregano, thyme, a bay leaf, milk, pepper, sea salt, olive oil, cinnamon, ground cloves, bacon, ground beef, and a can of crushed tomatoes. So we take our potatoes, we take a little chunk from the bottom and thinly slice. Repeat and put into a bowl. We take our eggplant, cut off the top, and slice thinly and put into a bowl. See that one piece fly? Jeez. Then we take our garlic, we crush, remove the skin, we're going to slice lengthwise and then widthwise, and then we're going to put into a plate. Now we grab our onion, we're going to cut off the bottom and top, cut off the skin, cut lengthwise, widthwise, and then we're going to put into a plate. Keep it aside from the garlic. For our celery, we're going to run the knife down the middle and thinly slice and put with the onion. For our bacon, we're going to cut lengthwise and then widthwise, and then we're going to put into a plate. In a pan, we're going to put our olive oil, our celery and onion, and fry till translucent. Now we add our cinnamon and clove, our garlic, and fry till fragrant. Now it's time for our beef. Put it in, we're going to break up, and we're going to fry till brown. Very easy. Once it's browned, we're going to add our crushed tomatoes, our bay leaf, our oregano and thyme, and we're just going to stir it. Then we're going to add our salt and pepper. Everything should be seasoned separately, and then we can season again if needed. In another pan, we're going to add olive oil, and when it's heated up, you'll see that the potato starts bubbling before we put the potato in. Once browned, we're going to flip them, and we'll remove from the pan when it's about this brown on either side. Now with our eggplant, we're going to do the same. We're going to wait till it's browned on either side and then remove and drain. Over medium heat, we're going to add our butter to a pot, and we're going to melt. We don't want the dairy solids to burn or brown. Then we add our flour, mix, and we should get a solid consistency like so. Add milk slowly and mix it in, and it will come to a creamy texture. If you add it in too quickly, it will be chunky. We add our cloves, salt and pepper, and then we're going to set aside. In a pan, we add our bacon, and we're just going to fry until it's ready. It'll get nice and brown like so, and we're just going to add it to our bechamel. Add some grated cheese and set aside. Now this is optional, but if you add a little bit of bechamel to the meat sauce, it won't fall apart when served. Now we're going to layer. We're going to add potatoes, cheese, meat sauce, eggplant, meat sauce, bechamel, and top with cheese. Now we add to the oven until it's golden. I like it like this. And there you go, moussaka. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more. A recipe like this is often enjoyed best with people that are closest to you. Enjoy the rest of your day.